Rainforest by Ashley.
Understory layer, little sunlight reaches this area, so the plants have to grow larger leaves to reach the sunlight. Canop layer. This is the primary of the forest and forms a roof over the two remaining layers. Carnivorous plants. Some plants are adapted to obtain nutrients from animal matter.
Butt rest roots. Some tall trees develop ways of obtaining much needed additional support by forming butt rest roots. Bats. Bats are the only flying mammals in the world. Anaconda. Anaconda is the biggest snake in the world. This is a creepy face on a tree.